Hi guys, Ricky here. Today I have some product or some object I want to create. So let's follow me and then I will show you the product. So I think you are follow this object, right? We usually call this hoverboard. So let's try make it this product, okay? So let's follow me. Hey guys, actually I already have my own uh, measurement for this hoverboard. So it's up to you. You can follow my uh, measurement or no, it's not a problem. It's not a problem, okay? So let's start with my measurement. Okay, like that. Trim that one. And the other side. The same line and the same radius. The other one. Okay. Actually, we make the prototype, right? So this is actually the prototype of the hoverboard. It's not actually with the real measurement, okay? Follow me, guys. Very simple and very easy. Okay, we use the set, okay, and start to measure. I will make it about 60. Okay, this is we call the body. So I'm brown and name it body. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in this edge. Okay, okay. Sorry guys. Okay, we're gonna make it 60. Okay, just like that. And fill this one also. Make it yeah. Sorry, 15. Okay, and let's start to make it a sketch on this face. Okay, okay, and find the center of this line. Make it some circle and extrude. Make it it's about 5 and make it also on the other face. Line first. Line first. Okay, and find the center of the line. Make it circle about 10 diameters and shoot about 5. Okay, so I will go to make it the tire or the wheels. So you can make it anywhere, and the diameters is 140. Okay, and I shoot about 60 and fillet. Okay, make it this edge around it. Okay, and it's enough. And then make it this body to the components, and then wheels. You can replace. And you can press D or you can find drawing and drawing to here. Okay, and you can use the type of the motion I used to before. Okay, and okay, you see, and just make it a circle in the center, like that, and it's enough. I'll make it the other circle, like that, 30, and make it a pattern of the circle. Center point is this circle, okay? I want to make it 5, and okay. And just extrude this one, 5, and turn on the last one sketch we made. Extrude the 5 circle minus 5. Okay. The last one I want to fillet. Okay, fillet 5. Yeah, 5 is enough. And okay. Okay. Like that. And make it another wheel, okay? The same diameters. I got 40. 60. And fillet, you can press F. Make it a 10. And doing this. Doing. Okay. Click this face and doing to here. Oh, and click it, doing. Hey, I think something wrong. Okay, before that, we have to make it to the component. Okay, wheels also. And doing okay. Oh, I picked the wrong. That and just like that. Okay. The motion is also resolute and okay. And let's just make it the time for the tire and line about 30 for the distance of the circle and circle is 30 and make it a pattern for the circle and 5 and okay and extrude and okay. Come on the last page. Extrude the 5 circle and make it a minus 5 and fillet this X. Make it 5 and okay. Simple. Okay. Okay, so let's make it this edge and we'll fillet this edge and this one. Make it I think we make it 10 and then and also for this edge enter Okay, and so let's make the cover for the wheels or the tire. I think just click the face, select the mistakes, and then line in here about 75 to the up, 75 also, and just doing nice step. Okay, yes, and let's start to extrude to the up. Yeah, I think 50 is enough. And filling this edge also. You can make it make it two. I already automated. We make it press L on the space and make it offset of this space. 25 and make it line like that, and also on the other, just like that, and extrude only this space, okay? But no one like that. About yeah, I think it's enough. Okay, we have power and make it a ceiling. Okay. I think and okay. Make it on the other. 5, 25, up, 25, and enjoying. Okay. Except 15 and delay. Take it 2 and click the space, press L and offset of -5, and I make it line. Okay, like that, line again, just like that, and except just only this blue face, okay? Make it an 80 and then finish, and don't forget last one is filling block 10. It's simple guys and easy. Okay. Okay, so last one make it this one. You go to this space and press L and find the center of space. Okay, and make it like this. Okay, and also on the other side. And like that, and make it the center rectangle. Find the center. How about 80? 70. Okay. Delay. About 10. Delay again. About 10. Delay again. 10. Sorry. This one and this one. 10. this one. Make it on the rectangle, center rectangle. So 18. And this is 16. Okay, 16 5. Delay. And delay again. And delay again. And the last one is delay 10%. Mistakes. And here's extra. This step about one. This one is okay. Here guys, prototype of the hoverboard. Okay, let's start to make it animate for these two hoverboard of tires or wheels. So we can use a motion link, click it, and click the circle or this ring and also the second ring, and they automatically rotate together. So you can just finish and animate them. It's very simple. Make it to animate. So the last one I'll make it the color of the hoverboard. Okay, I'm gonna make it yes, paint. You can find on the paint folder, mostly. And I want to make it this for red. And this wheel, it's black. But I will modify with the styles. Black right here. Right here. And then also this one. Okay, like that. Whatever is you can use your color. This is just my creation. Okay. Oh, red. Okay, like that. And also red on this. Like that. And also this of the tire part. Wheels is red. Okay. And I need at my home. Right here. Yes. Okay. Really cool. Okay, and one and also this. Okay, I think this is enough. And let's start to play the anime. And we will see how is it. Oh, that's really cool, man. Okay guys, we already finished to make it prototype of the hoverboard. This is my own measurement. You can use your own measurement, but thank you guys for still watching my video, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.